So now let me go back again to the advanced menu where RS Studio we are also already seen. So now let's go to the, say for example, the sequence menu. Now in sequence menu, from, let me go back again, sequence menu. This is an editor, so I just you press that. Now you can set 8 different locations and you can select any particular kind of waveform what you want. So you can set the set of functions in a form of a series what you wish to get it at the output. Say for example, I have set this first for square wave. Let's set it for square wave. For how many cycles, how many period you want. So for example, I set it for 1. I can set it for 8 different positions. So say okay. Now at second position, I want a sine waveform. So select sine. I want it for 3 different periods. So I set it for that. Go for triangular. I want, say, ramp. I want it for 2. Then go for pulse. So I want a pulse. And pulse I want, say for example, again it for 2 periods. So I set it for 2 periods. Go for the 5th location. I want, say, a DC signal. So I set a DC signal and that too for 2 cycles. Go for 6th position and say for example again I want sine wave and that too for the 1 period. So set it for 1 period and now connect it on oscilloscope, the output, and say OK. So now you can see that whatever we have set it, I am getting the waveform over here. The sine wave, then the square wave, then this again sine wave, sine, square. So whatever the sequence you have set it, the pulse, so you can set maximum the 8th position. So this is how I am getting it for the 8th position. So this is again, this sequence is basically will be the repeating sequence. If I do this, so now this sequence is repeating. You can see that this sequence is repeating. So this is 1, 2, 4, 6 and 2, 8. Maximum 8 you can set. So whatever you select it, but it will give you the 8 different sequence. 8 for 8 different periods. So this is how you are getting the sequence signal.